Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add AI captions to YouTube Shorts. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official YouTube application so that we can get started posting. So guys, if you do not already have the application downloaded, what you want to do is open up the App Store, find the YouTube application, download it and open it up. So you want to log into your account from which you want to post the shorts from. So once you have opened up YouTube, you can get started opening up your video studio. From your studio, you can get started posting your videos. So go ahead and get started with opening up your management studio. From here, you can go and select the reel that you want to upload as a short, and then we can get started. Now we can follow the steps right here that we can find on the official page of YouTube, showing us the steps we need to follow for AI captioning. So basically guys, captions, as you can see right here, automatic captions are an available option that you can use for shorts. So how can you go ahead and do them? Basically guys, here we can find the steps we need to do. If you're a creator in your YouTube studio, what you can do is sign in to YouTube studio that I just showed you. Then you can, from the left menu, select subtitles. From there guys, you can click the video that you want to add the captions or subtitles to, and under subtitles you can click the more option next to the subtitles you want to add it. Using this more option, you can review automatic captions and edit or remove any parts that haven't been properly transcribed, so you can go and manage them, how the captions are being made, and if you need to add something, remove something, and so on. But basically these are the steps you need to follow. In just a couple of clicks you'll be able to add those captions to your video. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.